Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with First Bank of the Lake step by step clearly. To budget with First Bank of the Lake, start by gathering all your financial documents. This includes your bank statements, bills, and any other sources of income. Next, identify your sources of income. List your monthly income from your job, side gigs, and any additional revenue streams. Now, move on to your expenses. Categorize them into fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage, and variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Once you have your expenses categorized, total each category. It's important to be thorough and honest about your spending habits. Next, compare your total income to your total expenses. If your expenses exceed your income, you'll need to adjust. Consider which variable expenses you can reduce or eliminate. Once you have a clearer financial picture, create your budget. Use First Bank of the Lake's budgeting tools to track your income and expenses. Input your fixed expenses first, as these are non-negotiable. Then, allocate funds for variable expenses based on your previous spending. Remember to set aside an amount for savings or emergencies. Once your budget is established, review it weekly. Check if you are sticking to your budget and make adjustments as necessary. Regularly update the budget based on any changes in your income or expenses. At the end of the month, review your spending and savings. This will help you understand your financial patterns better. Reassess your budget every few months to align with your financial goals. With diligence and consistency, budgeting with First Bank of the Lake can lead to financial peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.